Well, everybody else is getting out of bed. I'm usually getting in it. I'm not in it to win it. And there's 1,000 ways you can skin it. My feet have been on the floor flat like an idle singer. Remember Winger, I digress. I confess you are the best thing in my life. But I'm afraid when I hear stories about husband and wife, and there's no happy endings, no Henry Lee. But you are the greatest thing about me. Yeah. And here's love. We decide that it's forever. No one else could do it better. If it's love, and we're two birds of a feather, then the rest is just whatever. And if I'm addicted to loving you, and you're addicted to my love too, we can be them two birds of a feather that flock together. Love, 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 love. That's enough for me. Took a loan on a house I own. Can't be a queen bee without a bee throne. I wanna buy you everything except cologne, cause it's poison. We can travel to spring where the rain falls mainly on the plains, having sins, cause it is. We can laugh, we can sing, have 10 kids and give them everything. Hold our cell phones up in the air and just be glad that we made it here alive. Hold a spinning ball in the middle of space. I love you from your toes to your face. It's love. We decide that it's forever. No one else could do it better. His, his love. And we're two birds of a feather. Then the rest is just whenever. And if I'm addicted to loving you, and you're addicted to my love too, we can be them two birds of a feather that flock together. Love, 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 love. You can move in, I won't ask where you've been, cause everybody has a past. When we're over, we'll do it all over again. Everybody else is getting out of bed. I'm usually getting in it. I'm not in it to win it. I'm in it for you. If it's love, and we're two birds of a feather, then the rest is just whenever.